Ripple had quite an extraordinary week as its price jumped by almost 10% to 0.5448 following the court's ruling that denied the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's bench appeal against an earlier decision given in favor of Ripple. In July, the U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York had ruled that the sale of XRP tokens on crypto exchanges and through programmatic sales did not constitute investment contracts. Hence, it was not a security in this case. But the court also ruled that the institutional sale of the XRP tokens violated federal securities laws. XRP immediately surged by 90 to 0.908 after Ripple secured this partial victory in its legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. In other news, Ripple Singapore subsidiary secured a full major payments institution license from the national regulator recently. On the 31st of July, Ripple issued its Q2 2023 market report, in which it gave an in-depth response to the partial win it had secured against the SEC on 13/20 for July. The report mentions that the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple was misguided and a quest for political power. According to the firm, XRP is not just security in some corners, but in all areas. It also accused the SEC of being a propaganda merchant. However, the split judgment could lead to an ambiguous understanding about the status of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. And in early August, Judge Torres issued a pretrial scheduling order. The order stated the court will seek to schedule a jury trial for the second calendar quarter of 2024. It would be difficult to predict the price action and trade outcomes of XRP. The situation is complicated as the lawsuit draws closer to different nuances and counter-arguments being issued, triggering markets. An AI solution can certainly be used to attain some clarity, specifically ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a generative AI model that has gained massive traction since its initial rollout, with use cases across many industries. Can it be helpful in XRP price analysis and prediction? Well, the answer is surprisingly basic. We asked ChatGPT to give us a fundamental analysis of XRP and offered a detailed answer as shown. And this is the shorter version of the response. Fundamental analysis is one of the basic ways to determine the intrinsic value of an asset. We had earlier asked ChatGPT about the performance of XRP in the face of SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs. We interrogated our AI buddy about its understanding of the potential impact of the lawsuit on investors holding XRP. In ChatGPT, acknowledged difficulty in predicting the accurate outcome and impact of the lawsuit. Overall, the outcome of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple is uncertain, and it's difficult to predict exactly how it'll affect XRP's price in the short and long term. Investors should carefully consider the potential risks and uncertainties involved before making any investment decisions. We know the fundamental analysis and market sentiment, especially from the lawsuit angle. So how has XRP performed so far in the past? Would ChatGPT be helpful on the website this front too? Although historical data doesn't necessarily affect future price movements, price action is king in technical analysis, and past trends can offer crucial insights. We asked ChatGPT to pull XRP's and historical price action data to accomplish this step. The key jobs, the resources one know, the AI model gave a year-by-year breakdown of XRP's price action from 2017 to 2021. In early 2017, XRP was trading at less than 0.01 per token. It then experienced a significant increase in value, reaching an all-time high of around $3.84 in early census, January 2018. After reaching its peak, XRP's price began to decline and remain relatively stable for several months before experiencing another surge in late 2018, rising to around $55 in November, if you were in that year. In 2019, XRP's price fluctuated between around 25 and 50 cents for much of the year, before dropping around 20 cents by the end of the year. In 2020, XRP's price remained relatively stable in the first half of the year, hovering between around 15 and $5.25. However, in December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission announced a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that XRP was an unregistered security. This caused XRP's price to drop sharply, falling to around 17 cents by the end of the year. In 2021, XRP's price fluctuated, reaching a high of around $1.96 in April, before dropping again in May and June. However, in November 2021, XRP's price registered another surge, reaching a high of around 40 cents. The aforementioned output shows XRP's price action was largely determined by market sentiment and regulatory pressure. In addition, XRP's highs and lows throughout the previous years could act as in key support or resistance levels in the future. However, ChatGPT has limited access to information from 2021 or below. That makes it difficult to pull data beyond 2021, let alone make future predictions, which OpenAI's policy firmly prohibits. Ergo, we followed ChatGPT jailbreak techniques to bypass some of these limitations to try to get modest XRP price predictions. Next, pushing the AI model beyond OpenAI's limitations doesn't guarantee output accuracy. The classic version clearly stated it has no access to data beyond September 2021. However, the jailbreak version tells us that XRP's highest value in 2022 was $3.84. But XRP didn't even cross $1 in 2022. In fact, the all-time high of XRP pool was $3.84 that it achieved in January 2018. And ChatGPT predicts XRP's price to reach $3 by the end of 2023. After tweaking the prompts, we asked ChatGPT to make predictions based on historical price data and recent judgment. So the classic version of ChatGPT did not make any predictions. The jailbroken version provided a modest forecast of $2 for XRP's price. XRP had a strong first quarter in 2023. The altcoin surged from $8,300 to $300 to $5,298, rising by more than 75% on the charts. The July judgment has given a boost to its price action, but the token's value has plummeted since then. At press time, XRP was trading at 0.52020, and while XRP's relative strength index rested much above the neutral 50 mark, its money flow index rested just below it. And as far as we can see, there's a possibility of a bullish price movement in the short run. ChatGPT is an invaluable tool, especially on the fundamental and technical analysis front. It can help pull off historical data and XRP's fundamental analysis within seconds. Moreover, it can bypass some of the AI model's restrictions to get modest results, including price predictions. However, ChatGPT is limited to 2021 data, and bypassing its restrictions doesn't guarantee accurate output. As such, human input is key in making sense of some data from the AI model. ChatGPT cautions traders of XRP's prospects and makes modest predictions amidst the overwhelming market uncertainty around regulatory scrutiny worldwide. ChatGPT could revolutionize crypto price analysis and trading. Its fundamental analysis of XRP can save beginner traders the time and effort needed to understand the asset. In the meantime, traders can learn more about ChatGPT to create and test trading strategies to improve trading performance and results. It could offer traders a leg up, especially investigators when dealing with riskier assets like XRP, which is facing increased regulatory pressure. XRP's own chart metrics predict a bullish price movement in the short run. ChatGPT predicts XRP's price to hit $2 to $3 as per the previous price data and court rulings.